Today's clip will guide you. Post multi-platform videos on viral marketing software. Okay everyone, for those who don't know, viral marketing software will help us scan and download short videos online. There are 6 platforms here. We can scan video and download video, then we automatically edit. In video editing, there are many effects to bypass copyright and keeping that content. And today I will guide everyone. Multi-platform video uploading on viral mucked section. And first if we publish, we must have enter the accounts. As everyone can see, I have entered these Instagram accounts. Enter these Facebook accounts. Enter your YouTube account. And enter TikTok account to serve my posting on multiple platforms. And in the video post, we can post these for platforms. First, post this Reel Facebook video and post it in YouTube Short TikTok and Reel Instagram. When the setup in post Reels Facebook, well, first we will choose your Facebook accounts. That and for those. This account when we haven't not scanned out the fan page in the accounts. I'll turn on the scanning button. Scan fan page account and I click start. It's like this, guys. Wait a minute. That's after we scan the account. As you can see, each account has about 10 to 20 fan page, and then I will load fan page out there. And to post the videos on these pages. Then I will select the general configuration. We can also set up their own configuration for each page. We will select each page. Go to the edit section. This means that each page will post its own video. But I will post general configuration. For all these pages, I have 6 accounts and I have 97 fan pages. And I'll turn on the general configuration. That's the first thing to do. After setting up, we will select the video folder. For example, here you can see I have a lot of videos. Now I will choose these folders to upload. I will only select the folder. I can't choose the video, and the software will automatically grab the videos inside that folder. So you see, there's about 100 of these videos. And I'm going to choose the file description. Here's the description for the videos. Then here I asked AI pre-written. These descriptions also have hashtags. I will choose this description file. I'll check here to automatically create a description. Check these two to automatically create a description. As you can see, the description has been inserted. And we can add hashtags here if we want. For example, a hashtag at the end of this content. Click on this hashtag add. You can see I've added a viral hashtag. It's very simple, and now I just need to save it. You can see 100 videos selected in part 100 of this video. And then I'll go into the section delete video after posting this part. That means I'm not going post duplicated videos between pages. However, here I will let it duplicated, and then I will interact with that video. For example, I'll leave a link. Like or leave in this comment. Here I will leave my YouTube link. And leave a navigation sentence here. Allow the same comment. This will help us to Navigate to the website or YouTube for people watching videos. Now I'm going to set up the basic configuration. I have 6 accounts here, so these 6 threads will depend on the machine. Depend our PC config. We let the number of threads depend on the computer configuration. Let each page post a video. I'm going to stretch out a little bit. And this is the number of times I've failed, and I'm going to put it once or twice. Wait for the video to go up for a while. The setup is so simple. Now I just need to post. Click Start to upload this. Everyone, let's see the results first. So what you can see is software. It automatically posts on the pages. What I have chose, I will temporarily stop here. I'll show everyone the other part. That's the YouTube short. Before I posted it, I already have YouTube channels here. Okay. Anyone can open the MuckTube app. Buy Gmail account and create a bunch of YouTube channel. We can post automatically later. And currently, now I'm going to set up these basic configurations. First, I will select the video folder again. I will reselect the folders. All of these parts are the same. Select description. I'll put the description in a text file and automatically create a description that people see here. Then I click Save. There are 100 videos here right now. And now I've set up some basic configurations. For example, post time between 2 posts and how many videos. Post a video in 1 time, and will post 3 times again if error. Now this part I will choose. Content not for children, and here's whether I choose them or not. I will not choose here. I will randomly time this. It's that simple part. This YouTube short post is very simple. Now I will press start. Is that the software will automatically use these YouTubers to post it. People will probably watch to see. What you can see is automated software. Fix the content. This section is separate from. For YouTube short, we should let description or title. Add hashtag short. So then, new YouTube short can upload short videos. Here everyone see auto post here. Already posted. Automatic. There everyone see this automatically post this video. Okay. Then now I will start so I can post. Move to next section. This is what we will post on TikTok. It's exactly the same. I have 17 TikTok accounts. We can post general configuration or separate configuration, account's own configuration. It turns off the general profile and edit each account to post a video. However, this part is quite manual and takes time, so I'll post a generic configuration as well. This part is simply I'll set it up as normal, exactly the same. Each account posts 1 to 2 videos, depending on each person's needs. Waiting to upload this depends on time to configure the network of our network. And then we'll choose. The video is exactly the same. All this part, this video is the same. Choose this finished video. If we need more description, then we select this description file. That. Automatic. Check these two sections to automatically add a description. Select the description file and select the title file. Or we can do it with AI if we want. But this AI configuration we have to have. AI's API is this part. You can contact me directly for guidance. Just click here and automatically create a description. Click Save this and it's done. And posting is exactly the same. We choose whether or not it's the same video, and click Start is the software automatically posted. I will finally post it on Instagram. I also have many Instagram accounts. I have logged in here. I also set up the same. Choose these videos. Select this description file. Select this title file. This part is that we can choose to create the file ourselves, or we'll create it with AI. Everybody, AI title generation will quite a long of time, so I'll create it. File available. Checkbox now click Save is exactly the same. I will give this posting duplicated. I can tag more people. Add a main channel, for example. Tag the channel we want to draw customers to. That's it. And we can be automated like and comment. Please check here after posting. I will post it automatically now. And mostly post configuration. Multiple platforms will be similar. It's only on the platform we posted it on. This is the end of my clip, please. Bye everyone and see you in the next clip.